Hey y'all, welcome to Lulu Ladybug Creations YouTube channel. It was requested that I do a video on how to strip an epoxy tumbler, and I'll have everything I used down in the description, but it's pretty simple. It's using acetone, foil, my torch, X-Acto blade, and plastic, and some napkins. This tumbler has a really good thick coat of epoxy and glitter, so it's actually going to take me 2 rounds of this process. Now, I'm not going to do no talking in the rest of the video. I'll just let it play through. But what I want to do is heat up the cup, score it with the knife, fill the napkin with acetone, wrap the cup in the acetone filled napkin, cover it with foil, and then leave it in a bag. I usually use a Ziploc bag, but I didn't have any, so I'm using a grocery bag. But you want to get it closed in pretty good and leave it sitting in that for 2 days. And like I said, in this process, you'll see that the first time around it didn't work. It had too much epoxy on this cup, so I had to refill it with recover it with acetone, and then let it sit for another 2 days on top of that. Normally, if you don't have too much epoxy on your cup, it will just take 2 days and it'll come off pretty simple. But this one, I'm kind of glad I did it this way, because that way y'all can see with all the epoxy I had on it makes sense that it didn't come off on the first go around. But anyways, I'll stop talking. I'll let it play through. If you have any questions, post them down below and I'll respond as soon as I don't get on all the time, but as soon as I see it, I will respond. Anyways, thanks for visiting my page. Y'all be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And again, if y'all have any other questions or any other concerns or any other videos y'all would like for me to post, let me know, and I'll do it. I'll do what I can to get it posted. And of course, real quick, I don't know that this is the way everybody does their stripping, but it's how I know how to do it. So if you have a better way of stripping an epoxy tumbler, please share that with me, and I will try to do it on my next tumbler stripping. Again, thanks for visiting my page. I hope y'all enjoy this video, and thanks for stopping by. for stopping